First thing I'm gonna do when I crank it up, before I crank it up, I'm gonna add my salt. And I'm gonna put about a half a box of salt, and I don't need more than that right now. And I've got maybe 16 ounces of dry crab ball. Hey, it's gonna be good, babe. I'll be using 4 ounces of thyme, well, actually 3 ears of corn. I've got 6 little halves. I've got 3 garlics, 3 onions cut in half. I got 3 garlic heads of garlic. I've got 3 lemons cut in half and squeezed. I'm gonna do that. And I've got 4 potatoes, regular old red potatoes I cut in half. And 4 bay leaves. Gotta have my bay leaves. And I'm gonna use, I'm gonna start off with 4 ounces of my shrimp and crab ball concentrate. Anyway, that looks like what I've got. One thing I did forget, I forgot my mushrooms. Oh yeah, don't forget my crab ball little package. I'm not gonna open it up, I just drop it in like that, keep it in the bag. I forgot my mushrooms, man, and mushrooms is the best part of it. But I was in a hurry. Hey, look, this Chef Bork, I'm getting ready to crank it up. Hey, you can watch me as I add everything to it, okay? You won't be able to hear me because of all the noise, but I'm gonna try to keep the noise as low as possible. And I'll be putting on the screen what all that I'm putting in there again. Hot dog. Okay, here I go. Let's get the show on the road. All right. First of all, my shrimp crab ball, shrimp and crawfish. I'm gonna end up with about 10 or 12 ounces. Looking pretty, baby. Got me a little bag of that crawfish and shrimp crab ball that I'm putting in there. Leave it in the bag. And I'm gonna start off with about 8 ounces of the dry mix. Heck, I'm gonna throw another 8 ounces in there. Let's do it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And that's the Zatarain's extra spicy crab ball mix and crawfish. How about 3 bay leaves? Straight from my bay leaf tree. Lemons. 3 of them. 3 whole lemons. I sliced them. Put the squeeze on them, baby. Squeeze. Squeeze, baby, squeeze. That's 3 of them right there. Damn. All right, I got 6 onions, well, 3 onions cut in half. I'll put that in there. Half a box of salt. Maybe 4 ounces of thyme. That's about a half an ounce. And I like the thyme seeds. A little more. That's it. there. Now I'm gonna go ahead, put my potatoes in there, and my corn in there. Why not, baby? Then I'm gonna put my garlic in there and let it all cook about 15, 20 minutes. That's what's gonna happen right now. Oh, you can hear my mockingbird out there. That's old Mocky. He loves it when I'm... Boy, that stuff's strong. He loves it when I'm doing my little boiling. And like I said, I'm only cooking 15 pounds of crawfish just for a couple of people. Hey, don't forget Chef Bork will do your backyard ball if the money's right. There's the last piece of potato, and here comes my garlic. You don't want to overdo your garlic, because then it turns to mush. And whatever you do, once you get it in your container, once it's all balled and it's in the little ice chest, don't be shaking it up and going crazy, because your garlic going to fall apart and it's going to get mashed by the potatoes and all that other good stuff. You know what I mean? Whenever we do take it out, only the corn, the garlic, and the potatoes is coming out. The rest of it's staying in there for the crawfish. All right, here we go, baby. And don't forget, you got to have a slitch, love. You just got to have a slitch to do all this stuff. It slits a clock. I'm gonna shut this baby down.